Head Investment Strategy and Advisory for Prabhudas Leeladhar. Ajay, morning. Thanks so much for taking the time out to talk to us today. What's it looking like in terms of 2015? 2014 has not been a bad year at all, with 30% gains on the benchmark indices and most of the stocks seeing healthy returns. What's in store?
I think the bumper returns that the stock markets in India had in 2014, in my opinion, can easily be replicated in 2015, provided there is deliverance of reforms from Delhi. I think we've seen a confluence of global and domestic factors propelling the Indian markets, and we've been one of the best performing markets in the world. But what is needed now to sustain the current rally is the fact that some of the key sectors which have been holding back growth, essentially infrastructure sectors, in particular power and road sector, as well as mining and banking sector. These are the four sectors where, in addition to railways and defense, where the government needs to spell out very clearly the medium-term plans of how you crowd in private sector investment. And in case private sector investment is difficult to come in because of the over leverage problems dogging some of the biggies in those sectors, then the government needs to crowd in through public investments and through some of the large marquee projects and kickstart the investment cycle. It is entirely dependent on how the investment cycle takes off over the next 3 to 6 months that the market's course will be determined in 2015.
All right, just stay with us. So let's just talk specific stocks and sectors now. Ajay, you know, last year we did see a lot of those auto counters, particularly in the mid-cap space, perform. We've got news also today talking about how the excise stops may not continue, even though the industry was largely expecting this. A lot of hope that going ahead we're going to see growth pick up in the sector. What's your take on auto going ahead?
I think we are positive and overweight on auto. We believe that the interest rate cuts in India are around the corner. If not in January, we are certain that in March, the governor would oblige, having seen how the base effect plays out in the first couple of months of the calendar year, and also how the government is able to constrain the fiscal deficit to its stated target of 4.1% of GDP. Now, having seen that, I think the governor will, in my opinion, start cutting rates, and then we can expect at least 75 basis points or 100 basis point rate cuts over a 12-month period after the first rate cut. A falling inflation, falling interest rate environment, and a pickup in the economy as we go forward in the second half of the next financial year clearly would pave the way for a strong volume growth in auto sector. And hence we would be positive on autos and auto ancillaries. And our preference lies with companies like Maruti Suzuki, which we believe will have a strong volume growth in FY in the next financial year, as well as Tata Motors. The Tata Motors, we are positive because of twofold. One is obviously the JLR pack. It continues to do quite well. There are one or two very promising launches lined up. In addition to that, I think the CV cycle we believe is on the mend, and in FY16 second half one will see a strong growth in the MCV HCV pack as the problems dogging mining sector and power sector finally get sorted out. So Tata Motors and Maruti would be, we would advocate investors to look at them from a medium term perspective. In the auto ancillary, again we believe that stocks like Bharat Forge and Motherson Sumi should be looked at with a medium-term perspective.
All right, Ajay, very quickly then, top themes out here that you would focus on for 2015. Just one or two of the top themes from the way it's shaping up for the new year.
Yeah, I think first and foremost we should look at a revival in the moribund investment cycle playing out, in our opinion, in next 3 to 6 months, and hence one needs to have stocks like Larsen & Toubro, Cummins and Thermax as part of the core portfolio, in addition to Ashoka Buildcon, one of the strong plays on the road construction sector.
All right, Ajay, thanks so much for joining us. Happy New Year and have a good day going ahead. Now 2014.